Well, hello everyone. I am doing a video here to let you know about your high and low side AC port. So this is a 2017 Buick Enclave, and if you are looking to check the Freon that's inside of your AC system and you are trying to find the right port to connect to with one of these little kits that you buy, let's say from Walmart or AutoZone or wherever, this is not your low side. This is your high side port. So this is not where you would connect this hose. So if you're wondering where it is, it's actually down here underneath this hose here. So it's hard to see, but it's underneath this hose that I'm touching, and it's on the bottom. So I don't know how well that focused, but that little L-shaped pipe right there, that it's right underneath there. So there's a plastic cap there. That's where you actually have to screw on to get your low side pressure. Now, with that in mind, these little hoses won't work. So you're gonna have to get either a hose like this that's probably, 4 or 5 feet long, that either goes down to the top or you can get to it from the bottom, or you have to get a set of AC gauges that will fit down there and check it. So basically this video is just to let you know that this very convenient port right here is not the one you connect to. This is the high side. Now if you have the gauges, this is where your high side goes and your low side goes down there. But so basically I've just added that whole can into the Buick, and I got the light on, gauges look right. I only hooked up the low side, but based on chart readings, this should be around 50 with the ambient temperature we have. But again, just to show you, that low side port is right there. I don't know if you can see the blue hose where it's going. Again, this is on a 2017 Buick Enclave. It's probably going to be about the same for any of the newer model Enclaves. So hope this helps. Take care.